All right, good evening, everybody. This is Anthony from Trader's Ultimate Edge. We're looking at the market today. Obviously, the big thing was this drop right here. Overnight, we actually hit pretty high. We came back up to go back a little bit here. Came all the way up here to almost 4,700. Then it came back down just before the start of the day. It started to fall, and then as the day opened, we came down to start playing again with this trend line. That's the big one. That's okay. And then right here, an ex-Fed president, William Dudley, opened his mouth and said, oh, they're going to have to really jack up interest rates. Is pretty much what he said. So the guy that said this, it was on a podcast, I think, for Bloomberg. This guy, in the context of today's Fed makeup, he's a nobody. Frankly, he's a complete nobody. He used to be a Fed chairman. He's not anymore. So what this guy thinks doesn't matter at all. This is worth about as much as some guy at any bank across the country saying they're going to have to raise interest rates. That's why the market came back up, right? Because this means nothing. This was a bunch of retail investors panicking. Big smart money is not panicking over that. They're not panicking at all. They're just looking at it and laughing and buying when it falls. That's what happens. That's what smart money does. This right here at the very end of the day, look at this. 3 minutes before close, this huge volume spike and push upwards. You know what this was? Shorts closing their positions. Shorts closing and buying to close. Because a bunch of people had shorted during the day and they realized there wasn't going to be any follow through, and that's what this was. Okay. I don't expect any further movement down tomorrow. I expect this to come back up probably. Tomorrow we do have retail sales coming out 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to take a look at that. It's an hour prior to market open. We want good retail sales numbers. I expected the day just to do this the whole day because of those retail sales numbers coming out. This kind of threw a wrench into it. But those retail sales numbers are going to be pretty important. So we've got to sit and watch and look at those and see what happens. We want some pretty good numbers there. And I think good numbers will push the markets up. I don't think there's a whole lot of worry over what the Fed is doing if there's good numbers, because we've already heard from the Fed a couple of weeks ago exactly what they are doing, and it's not worrisome. It's precisely what the market expected. So I'm not too worried about this. Like I say, the guy's pretty much a nobody. So just get your support levels on the charts, and I will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.